Hello everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia Bhatnagar and I'm with you with the specific area of ABFM, Advanced Business and Financial Management. How are we doing everyone? In the last class, we had finished the area of private equity. And we finished that particular topic altogether. We had done a lot of questions about it in the individual topics that have taken up earlier as well. So today, what am I going to deal with is we'll be talking about the next topic. Today, I'm taking up AI. Acha, what do you mean by AI, everyone? AI is artificial intelligence. When we define the AI is basically artificial intelligence. AI can be defined as something in which we are working towards the specific area of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is basically you are feeding the particular uh, organization altogether in terms of their working. कि देखिए overall ना when you are giving someone information, then they can take decisions on their own. They can tell you about the goods and the bads, right? So we are preparing an artificial brain, but obviously right now though it is in the primitive stages. EQ is definitely not there. We are trying to give them the IQ. EQ is your emotional quotient, but yes, they can up to a certain extent. Looking forward towards this area in terms of especially if I talk about our if I talk about especially the AI altogether, na, artificial intelligence has now got into the specific area of banking even. In the banking even chatbots are there. We can actually look forward towards the consultation of how I'm going to pursue with my monetary needs and all. That is also there, na. Chaliye. Now here comes what do you mean by AI? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence is basically an intelligence that we create. Okay, here comes the first question, everyone. According to Nick Bostrom's research, why are many uses of AI not classified as utilizing AI? They are not valuable enough, they are not widely adopted, they are deeply embedded in the infrastructure of every industry, or once something becomes valuable and ubiquitous, it is no longer considered as AI. Actually, na pata hai, AI, if you look at the past of AI, na, AI is not something absolutely new. It is something which was there for years. It was something that you will find back in 1940s. It was there, but then ultimately na people had no clue about it. Some things are there now which are new to the entire organization, new to the world altogether. So that was the specific reason. At that point of time, these things were definitely not there. So people were not aware, so they didn't really care about how AI was working. In the last 2 years, AI has started gaining a lot of attention. So that's the point regarding AI. So when we talk about AI, why are many users of AI not classified in utilizing AI? The problem is it is not something very common among the people. It's not very popular among the people. ठीक है? Done? चलिए, now let's look at the next question. How can the research in artificial intelligence contribute to education? In the education field, they have also been working. But what are they doing in this case? Okay. So when we talk about this specific area, how can research in artificial intelligence contribute to education? By avoiding intellectual difficulties, you bet you cannot do this. In terms of education, it plays a very important role. By breaking down problems into manageable components, by relying solely on human problem solvers, or by ignoring strategies used by the computers. Basically in this case, one particular thing, that is you are breaking down the problems into manageable components. If I tell you pata hai ye ho gaya, then this happened, then this happened, then this happened, then this happened, you'll be like, oh ho, you need to take a break. What is it that has happened? So in this case, when you break down the situation, this happened, okay, then this happened, okay, then what is it that we need to do, okay, that's one specific area that we talk about. ठीक है. So in this case, whenever we are talking about the problems, when you break it down in terms of education, even it becomes easier, right? That's why we divide chapters into topics, topics into subtopics, heading, subheading, sub-subheading, so that to understand something, you have gotten down to that specific level. Okay, done. Okay, next point. What is the concept of intelligent computer assisted instructions? A computer acting as a tutor observing a student's efforts to solve a problem, a computer replacing human educator in the classrooms, a computer providing solutions without human intervention, or computer analyzing historical data for education purposes. Intelligence computer assisted instructions. That means in this case, just whenever the students are requiring some kind of information, then this guy will be helpful. But will it be? That is the point. They're actually working upon this specific area, that whether they can bring up something important out of it. Okay, so they were looking forward to convert the AI into a better tutor. Right now they are also adding AI not only in this field but in the medical field as well. Radiologists play a very important role, right, in terms of x-rays and all. They are the ones who are mostly reliable for their working. So in this case now they have been defining it this way. So in this case, what happened is, so if radiologists are to be gone, then the AI has to be very, very strong enough. Otherwise, things won't work out, na? चलिए जी, done. Next point. So computer acting as a tutor, observing a student's efforts to solve a problem. Acha, everyone subscribe to our channel right away, because if you haven't done it yet, you are missing a lot in terms of our courses. Not only in terms of our subscriber base, it would be really helpful to you to look forward towards the regular courses, to look forward towards our content, updates regarding the CAIIB examination, everything on one particular portal. Okay, now let's talk about the next point. Before I proceed further, have you reviewed our courses yet? पता है our courses are currently available at a very nominal price. Let me show you where to go. This is our website, everyone. There it is. Look at this. Just go on to our website. That's www.adda247.com. Go on to the specific area. Go on to the area of JIB and CIB. Click on the area of JIB May 2020. Sorry, CIB June 2024. We have got our Zeal and Josh batch coming in. So Zeal and Josh batch has got all the specific topics, whatever you look forward to. All those specific batches are here. So if you're planning, then all these specific batches would be helpful for you in terms of our classes. So kindly check it out on our website or in our app for further details. Or if you're looking forward to, then CIB Mahapack is also available. In the Mahapack, click the area of buy now, use the code Y541, use the code Y541, and you will get the Mahapack for 6500 if you are using app now. Currently it is showing 6823.95, but you can reduce it further. You can take it to 6500 something. If you are looking forward towards our courses, use the code Y541 and you'll get for 6 plus 6 months. मतलब 500 something per month, and at the same time validity is for 1 year. This includes English medium, bilingual, both batches. It includes all the optional subjects, includes our mini marathon, Maha marathon. It includes ebooks as well as test series. Matlab unlimited things that you want. Even the revision batches are in it only. Matlab you pay once, 6500 rupees paid. Then whatever you need for CIIB, you don't even have to pay a single penny. All the faculties of our courses of CIIB are available and open up for you in this case. So please check it out on our website and our app for further details, everyone. If you haven't enrolled in our courses yet, then I must say you should do that right away, because this good opportunity might not be there for a longer period. So please go ahead and check it out on our website and our app for further details, everyone, right away. Chaliye, let's talk about it, everyone. Next question. Here comes the next question. Oh, done. Here comes the next question. Which component of Kubeflow pipelines is responsible for orchestrating the execution of pipeline components? Kubeflow dashboard, Kubeflow pipeline UI, Kubeflow pipeline system, Kubeflow notebook server. What's going to be the answer according to you? Everyone? The correct answer for Q4 pipeline is responsible for orchestrating the execution of pipeline. See, pipeline in this case is not exact pipeline. This is basically a pipeline which through which the information flows in the form of packets. So it is basically Qflow dashboard, Qflow pipeline UI, Qflow pipeline system, or Qflow notebook server. For orchestrating, you are executing the components, the movement of the same. That is to be covered under the entire system. Rest are all the components which are a part of it. ठीक है? चलिए then. Let's look at the next question. What is the primary purpose of Qflow pipeline? Automating data visualization, orchestrating end-to-end machine learning workflows, or managing data transactions or creating web applications. According to you, what's going to be the answer, everyone? What is the primary purpose of these pipelines? That through these pipelines, there is a flow of information. The information flows very quickly through these. Okay, that is why these are used. So whenever there's a problem, you can at least just the machine learning can transfer the information at a much faster pace. So in this case, according to you, what's going to be the answer? Chali. The answer is orchestrating end-to-end machine learning. It helps in helping for the machine learning workflows. How are components structured in Kubeflow pipeline? As standalone Python scripts, as Jupyter notebooks, as self-contained collections of code packaged as container images, or as YAML configuration files? What's going to be the answer, everyone? How are the components structured in Kubeflow pipeline? See, data has to be kept in a certain manner now. How are we going to put it? It is basically packed in certain codes. As I told you, they are kept in these small coding systems. Matlab, they're in these packets and then you can use it further for your business. That's the benefit of it. Okay? So Kubeflow is basically a very good way of transferring the information in whatever we are looking forward to. Done, everyone? Chaliye ji. Then let's move on to the next question. Let's have a look at the next question. चलिए, which stage of the machine learning workflow is responsible for pre-processing data? Model training, model evaluation, data transformation, or model deployment? Which stage of machine learning workflow is responsible for pre-processing? मतलब before the data is processed, now we are always preparing for it. That is pre-processing, everyone. So it is a part of model training, model evaluation, then data transformation, or model deployment. In this case, the correct answer is going to be data transformation. The answer is data transformation. What does the Kubeflow pipeline offer for composition, deployment, and management of ML workflows? A graphical user interface, a workbench or command line interface, or a text editor? The composition, deployment, and management of ML workflows. When we talk about the ML workflows now, it is the workbench, everyone. The correct answer is a workbench. Through this, the entire working of the composition and deployment, everything is happening through this only. Done. Acha, another important and interesting question. What do you mean by Google Duplex? What about Google Duplex, everyone? Matlab, if I have to have a word with you, then how do I talk? I'll say, good evening, everyone. How are we? This is our class and XYZ. In this case, if I have to book a table for two, so what will I do? I'll call the particular organization and I'll ask, this restaurant? They'll be like, yeah, ma'am, this is a restaurant. Then I'll specify, okay, these are the things that I require, sir. So when we specify that this is what we're looking forward to, then the person will think about buying it, है ना? So in this case, one thing that will happen is that if I have to have a word, it takes time. So I asked Google Duplex to do the same. So Google Duplex would call the particular company and book a table for me. That particular part is there. It is not available in every country, but in many countries they have introduced. Up to I think we have started getting AI calls as well. Because this way the organization are spending less and lesser time, because telemarketers face a lot of problems. Harassment and everything happens when people are doing something else and they get a call from the telecaller. So it is definitely a challenging task. So they have introduced this easier method, but yes, this affects their jobs. So that's one particular negative point of AI, that is eating up a lot of jobs. Okay, next pointer. Chali. What was the primary demonstration of Google Duplex during the announcement? Making reservations at restaurants, booking flights, renting cars, or ordering groceries. As I told you, when Google Duplex was introduced, now it was introduced for this purpose only. It started with the era of making reservations at restaurants. Okay? It started with this specific work altogether. Making reservations at the restaurants. What is that one of the notable features of Google Duplex Voice during the demonstration? That is to speak in multiple languages. It could mimic accents accurately. It uses ums and pauses when we talk sometimes, because I'm a human. Whenever I'll be like, just a moment, I'll take a pause and then talk now. It uses only robotic speech. वैसे तो अभी तो currently I've seen more of robotic speech even if we get a call or something. So they are expecting that soon they will introduce this part as well, everyone. So currently the new thing that they have added in terms of Google Duplex, it is adding ums and pauses to sound more like humans. Okay, so that's it for the day, everyone. I hope this session was useful, and if it was, then please let us know. First thing, like the session, share the session, and subscribe to our channel right away. And please check it out, everyone, because if you're not going through our courses, then there's an issue, because you will lose out on the opportunity. Okay? So the best thing you can do is you can check out our courses. The best one is our Mahapack. Mahapack is available at least price, and maximum discount is available of up to 80%. So please check it out on our website and our app for further details, everyone. And don't let this good opportunity slip out of your hands. Then everyone, thank you so much for being there. We'll be meeting tomorrow. Bye bye.